Welcome to the Fluence SPYDR series assembly tutorial. Step 1. Open the contents of your Fluence SPYDR series light. Here are the included components. Here are all the mounting bracket options. Note that your box will only contain your specified bracket. Unfold the SPYDR light and gently place it on your rack. There are 4 mounting points, located on the bars second from the edge. Place a mounting bracket above each mounting point. Place the power supply in the middle to connect the mounting brackets. Place a mounting bracket on each side of the power supply. You'll feel a satisfying click when they're in place. Now, flip the power supply over and gently click the brackets onto the light. Using the fixed cable, plug the light into the power supply. Using 2 people, lift the light and attach the mounting brackets to the lights. Now, with the included power cable, first plug in your power supply, then into your power source. Fluence, helping the world grow smarter.